So I'm doing a quick review of a new stereo that I've installed in my Toyota RAV4. I was having a problem with the stock unit. This is a 2017 Toyota RAV4, which had the original head unit in. The screen was starting to go a bit faulty, so I wanted to replace it. And the unit I have gone for is a JOYING 9.5 inch stereo with full touchscreen and Apple CarPlay, and there it is installed there. I think it looks really good. I'm going to just do a quick demo of it. I didn't know what to expect from one of these stereos not being stock, but you can see that, you know, it starts up very straight away. It's connecting there to my Bluetooth on my iPhone, and it's going to link up to Apple CarPlay shortly. You don't have to connect it to Wi-Fi, it just works off its own network via Bluetooth. So you can hear there the music's working straight away, and actually the sound quality is very good. Absolutely no different to the original sound quality, which I'm really pleased about. You've got full touchscreen capability. I only use it for Apple CarPlay, but there we've got Waze there. And then to get to the actual screen, the only thing is it's got no buttons on it. So what I do is adjust the volume off my steering wheel controls, and they all work perfectly. So they're wired up very well. I can play the song, I can skip tracks as usual. And with this unit, I am very impressed with the sound quality. I know there's other units that you can buy that aren't quite as convincing. They can sound a bit tinny, and you might lose some of the quality. I think there may be some adjustments that are needed when you get into the actual menu itself, but other than that, here we go. This is the so this is the main menu that I don't really have much use for, but you can see here, this is how you actually adjust the volume without the dial that I was used to, but I'm sure I'll get used to that. You could connect it to the internet, but there's absolutely no need to do so. You could also connect it through here, the USB port that's connected up at the back, but I don't need that with Bluetooth. It's much easier to do it wirelessly. This is something that the car didn't previously have. It's very simple to just take this dash apart and then if I do that, you can see how it's been installed back there. It replaces the full unit, and these vents come out and then are applied back. One small issue, and this is probably because of how it's put together, is there's a small gap here around the surround, but I think with a bit of trimming of this plastic, when I get round to it, I can sort that thing out. But other than that, it looks really good. And one of the things, I didn't want it to look too different to what it did, but I think it's an improvement, definitely on functionality. And yeah, very pleased with the screen. There is a protective film on here at the moment, but I'll remove that shortly. Yeah, it's got the reverse camera hooked up, which you can see there. working perfectly. Just an all-round very good piece of kit. So this is the 9.5 inch, the larger one, solid screen. Would recommend, very quick. Thanks for watching.